Welcome to our next episode of our Iceland travel video series. Yesterday's adventure was truly unforgettable as we witnessed and even touched floating icebergs for the first time. Today, on day 6 in Iceland, promises to be even more memorable as we embark on a boat journey amidst the icebergs of Jokursalon Glacier Lagoon. To catch up on our previous videos, click the link provided in the description box. Jokursalon Glacier Lagoon, Iceland's deepest lake at a maximum depth of 814 feet, is adorned with icebergs that have aged over 1,000 years. Online bookings are available for boat tours priced at 49 USD for adults, 24 USD for children aged 6 to 12, and free for children below 5 years. Our scheduled tour time is 10:30 a.m. Yet, upon reaching the lagoon, we discover that the current windy weather poses a significant risk to this activity. Consequently, the tour operators haven't started the boat tours, awaiting improved weather conditions. Despite the delay, the scenic beauty of the lagoon captivates us, offering a delightful wait at this breathtaking viewpoint. After patiently waiting for about 3 hours, the weather conditions failed to improve, leading to the unfortunate cancellation of all boat tours for the day. This disappointment is profound considering such opportunities are rare in a lifetime. Nevertheless, there is another smaller glacier lagoon nearby that we will explore. Stay tuned for our next video. In the meantime, show your support by hitting the like button, sharing and subscribing to our channel.